Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've got a tip for learning about the history of flight. So let's get cracking. Friends, this is my website, HLModTech.com. There will be a link in the description or in the cards for you to get here. What I've got for you on this is a page all about flight. And on the page for flight, I have got a history of flight Jamboard. Friends, your job is simply to click on this and you will see it launches with all of the history of flight pages that we read while using Greatest Paper Airplanes. Well, I love Greatest Paper Airplanes. I love their history. I love making airplanes on Classic Reload. But reading these pages efficiently is hard because you have to bounce back and forth because of the mouse. All I did was put them in this cool Jamboard, so now they're easy to read. I still want you to be able to go to the program so you can click on the links and learn, but now all the facts are on one page, which should make your projects a lot faster in my class. What you need to do at this moment is click on the three dots and you need to make a copy. Instead of copy of history of flight, make sure you put your name on it. And then when you hit OK, it will be saved to your Google Drive. It is that quick, and then you'll not only have this project, but you can also add notes as you're learning. So you can pick a sticky note and say, "This is so cool," and it will be saved in your folder just like that. You can draw on this, you can do anything you want with this project. So it's a super simple way to just have all this information ready if you need it in the future. Friends, if you found this video useful, please give it a like. Please also give it a share so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.